How to fix verification code not received on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like verification code not receiving on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open the device setting on your device. So simply open the settings. Alright, so now on the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like app settings. So simply tap on this apps. Alright, so from the app section, you'll have to scroll down and find the app messages. So simply you have to find that. So after you find the messages, you'll have to just open it. And now from the app info of messages, you'll have to click on this notification section just at the privacy section. So simply tap on this notification. And now from the notification section, make sure you have allowed this notification for the message app. Alright, so now from there you'll have to scroll down and go with the option like storage. So simply tap on this storage. And now from here you'll have to tap on the clear data just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here tap on OK. Alright, so after you've done this from here, you'll have to back and go with the options like force stop. So it will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so again you'll have to tap on OK. So after you've done this from here, you'll be able to fix the problem like verification code not receiving on your Android phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.